Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Natural Ayurvedic home remedies for gout. Number 1. Mustard oil and camphor. Things you need: mustard oil and camphor. Direction: take 1 cup of mustard oil and add a few pieces of camphor to it. Heat the mixture until camphor dissolves. Dose: massage the affected area with lukewarm oil. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Things you need: apple cider vinegar and water. Direction: mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drink. Dose: drink it once daily. Number 3. Cold compress. Things you need: ice pack and towel. Direction: wrap ice pack in a towel and place it over the affected area for 15 minutes. Dose: do this twice daily. Number 4. Water. Things you need: water. Direction: drink plenty of water. Dose: drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Number 5. Cherries. Things you need: cherries and garlic. Direction: eat 10 to 15 cherries or drink a glass of cherry juice daily. To that you can also add 1 teaspoon of garlic juice. Dose: have it or drink it daily. Number 6. Ginger. Things you need: ginger and water. Direction: chew few slices of ginger or add few slices of ginger to a cup of water and boil it for few minutes. Strain the solution and drink. Dose: have it daily. Number 7. Apple. Things you need: apple. Direction: eat an apple every day or drink a glass of apple juice daily. Dose: have it every day. Number 8. Lemon juice. Things you need: lemon, baking soda and water. Direction: add half teaspoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to a glass of warm water. Mix well and drink. Dose: drink it twice a day. Number 9. Vegetable juices. Things you need: beetroot, carrot and cucumber. Direction: extract 2 cup of carrot juice. To that add 1 cup of each cucumber and beetroot juice and mix well. Dose: drink it daily. Number 10. Banana. Things you need: bananas. Direction: eat 2 to 3 bananas daily. Dose: have it every day. Thank you for watching.